Welcome to Kubo Chemicals Pvt Limited, your partner in surface finishing solutions since 1993. With over 30 years of technical leadership and a strategic alliance with Sharmic Engineering UK, we engineer high-performance surface finishing solutions for complex manufacturing needs. Ferrous or non-ferrous, metal or non-metal. We reduce production time, labor dependency, and surface level rework. Our trial facility lets you validate results before full-scale implementation. Every solution is tailored, scalable, and repeatable, with certified quality and world-class support. Our team blends deep material expertise with real-world industrial insights, ensuring consistency, safety, and long-term value. Driven by performance, backed by knowledge, crafted through experience.